After opening the box, remove the accessories and documents from the top cap storage. Remove the top cap and the plastic bag off of the instrument. Take the OptiMATE Gradient Maker out of the box and place it at its identified location for use, on a bench that is vibration-free or inside a biosafety cabinet. When placing the instrument, you may set the back of the instrument on the bench and then gently slide it into position and place it down fully. Verify that there is at least 1 inch clearance at the back of the instrument and at least 3 inch clearance on each side of the instrument to ensure sufficient air circulation. Connect the power supply to the OptiMATE Gradient Maker by firmly inserting the power input cable connector into the DC input jack. Plug the AC cable into the power outlet. Connect an Ethernet cable for internet connectivity. Press the power button on the right side of the instrument to power on the instrument. When connecting it fresh to a power source, you may need to press it twice to power on.